This video is Visio 2010 Campus Network Diagram, Part 3. In this video, we'll be adding layers and stencils. This is where we left off, and at this point we're going to establish some layers, which will be useful later on in the drawing. So we go up here to Layer Properties, and we are going to start out with a layer name of Switch, and then we will do Patch Panel, we'll do Environmental, we'll do Fiber Optic Cables, and we'll do UPS. Now, one other thing we're going to do here is set colors for these layers. For environmental, we're going to make blue. We're going to leave the fiber optic cable uncolored because we're going to do some variations there. We're going to make our patch panel sort of brown. Our switch is going to be violet. And our UPS is going to be red. Okay, now we're going to start assigning things. Now you'll see up here we've got a place that tells us layers and enables us to assign layers. And you can check the video on dealing with layers, shows how to set that up. I'm going to put that in the patch panel. You see how it changes the color, confirms the layer that we're in. It's an environmental monitor. This is a switch. And this is a UPS. And this cable won't change color, but we're going to put it in the fiber optic cable layer. Okay, and then at this point, we want to view the shape data pane, so we'll open that up. And now, before going further, we're going to take these shapes and save them in a way that we can use them in this drawing and other drawings. But I'm going to add a couple of shapes here. I'm going to copy this switch, just drag it over and hold down the Control key. And then I'm going to give this one a different product number. And this one is going to be a, somewhat different switch. And you can see how the different product number showed up right here in the description. I'm going to do another UPS. And here, do this a slightly different number. These are actually real numbers. Okay, and then I also want to take my cable here and turn it around just a little bit. And I want to adjust the use the text block tool here to adjust where that label shows up. Then I'm going to go on my fiber optic cable and copy this. I'm going to take my fiber optic cable and I'm going to change the line weight a little bit on that. Make it a little easier to see. And then I'm going to change the line color. I'm going to make this yellow. And I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to make the color orange. And since I don't have a product number in on these, I'm going to do this one product description. This will be fiber cable. This will be indoor, outdoor. 12 multi-mode 62.5. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to take this one and paste that in there. This one's going to be OSP, outside, and it's going to be 12 single mode. Now, we have pretty much the shapes here that we want, but we'd like to be able to save these so we can use them in other parts of the drawing as well as other drawings. So in order to do that, and turn on the shapes. So now I'm going to go to the developer window. We'll be selecting the new stencil and US units. And I'm going to start adding shapes to it. And start out with my patch panel. Bring it over here. And rename that patch panel. I'm going to bring over my environmental monitor unit. And rename that EMU. Bring over my switches. And that one was and it'll be a 4 port PoE, and that's 10. Now we'll go to the switch and copy that title and description. Title, description. Bring over this other switch. Then I'm going to bring over that other switch. Paste. And edit that. It's a 48 port switch. Then I'm going to bring over my UPS. And it's a UPS 2200 VA 120 volt. UPS 3000 VA 108 volt. Copy my product description. This cable. And I'm going to do the same thing with this other one. Now I've created a stencil, and I can use this. And I'm going to save this stencil. And you see the title shows up here. We can close this stencil, and we can just navigate to where we just saved it, and we can open it back up. So it's just a matter of closing it. And so we're able to take these shapes and pull them out of the stencil, just drop them in. You see that it's already got the product number, a place to put in the IP address, etc. And we'll be deploying these in data closets in the next video.